It was yesterday at 9 a.m. when this huge landslide happened due to Kilembe Mines limited water leakages. It is their ignorance that has caused this, because we have reported continuously about these leakages.
Aho enyumba eyuru yamare ekiyetse tukacha tange ekiyetse kyamasa kwa matu bitreyi chonge bintu ebyosi mutu hamuna chomu mwabiba emunisisa kusatusha omwani iso sisi abapatarama emuli obuteke bwo munyumba ngo kuma emuni ebitumbi
nasirike embuzi zanje aha musegwenju yanje ahanyuma amezi gija gazitwara embuzi 3 n'empunu 2 omwani n'ebitoke na muhogo tihinde kinsigizi abana nyina abana mushanje abijukuru ni 13 n'abijukuruzo ni 3 abo bona barya mutwe gwanje kandi ndiyo mufukakazi
aba bagira ngo ikiri kubasasa munonga no kugira ngo abebembezi abakirembe Mines tubari kufayo kubashumbusha nabanyuma yo kubona abonesebwa bati uteriho no kugira ngo tubari kufayo kurebekangu babasa kunduze imidumo yabo eri kurigaho Ebitengure ebi muri ngo gumwe abantu bagira ngo ikintu nk'eki kikaba cyabeireho ngo konka abebembezi abakirembe Mines tubari kufayo kubashumbusha ngo
when I make evaluation, everything that has been lost, they may run 150 million. 150 million. That is okay. That is the small figure I can put.
Nabe tsaka kumwelia nawayi na mtseko mukaga omwelia nawayi yoyo swanga bana no hali asanda yewe eyo si yabeboreramo ekona no mutsekuru wayi nayo swanga mnyana hali asanda yewe
obwo batwine bwinji amabale gemerire ruguru agamizi galesire gakaga tarashangwayo namezi nimenji kandi narikeji eyamezi geruguragara zo mufuromurayini nayo ni nyinji munonga gakaga tariho bamara kugomya titukabona mezi gona
batyo nko kuraganisa ngo murundogu haba hatabeireho kushumbushwa bayija kubatwara umukoti.
It was God's mercy that we survived yesterday at 9 a.m. Our neighbors across River Mubuku in Charomanya there, they made an alarm to us. You people ran away, you are dying. So we had stones rolling, something blasting, people making an alarm. We ran immediately.
Urchapason wentebe ya kashatu aba town kanse ayibanda cyanywa yashobora ngo oburemezo bwinji n'uburgabe bembezi ba Kilembe Mines obutargayo okunduze midimo yabo yashobora ngo niyer kurgaho buzubwamani.
Those who were seriously displaced, Kilembe Mines provided them with some houses to use in their camp. They have houses in Ibanda 1A, and they have helped to evict those who were seriously affected. Even we encourage them that people who may come to them asking them for the same, for the meantime they can assist them. They do the activities during the day.
Okurijira harubambare omukwezi kumwe konka abantu mugomboreji bateirwe Ebitengure ebyemirundi nk'etano ekireetera abantu mu kicekeki baguma bateine cyo kurya entoke oteireho naho kutomtwe.
In this 1 week it has caused 2 landslides, and in this very year 2024 it has caused 5 landslides. The serious one is the one which occurred yesterday.
Ogun aenda government eimchiremo okunduza Kilembe Mines otiriho no kutereza bimwe Ebintu ebyasisikeire abo burunji bw'amagara g'abantu abari kutura mu kicekeki.
We have agreed with the Kilembe Mines that it should stop generating power until it works on the leakages and now we are on the plan of compensating the farmers whose crops and households were destroyed.
Abakozi aba Kilembe Mines barebwaho bagezaho kugamba n'abantu abatungira oburemeezi bw'amaani otariho n'okuferwa ebintu byabo omubitengure bikonka bayanga kugamba n'omushaki weitu ahari kamera. Akuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo awa Sky TV agenshonga muri Kasese.